can the Station 2 be connected to a console and enable the screen to be fixed in the air?
Okay, so what I can say about this question, right? A Station 2 cannot be connected to a game console directly, but I will show you now how you can do it. So you can download and install all kinds of mobile games directly on Station 2.
Okay.
And you can play all console games through cloud gaming, right? Or streaming your console game remotely.
Yeah.
So for example, let me show you how to do it.
So we do have here
yes,
the Steam
I
Deck.
actually just can show you and just don't wear my glasses. So here's like the Steam console. You can have any different other, but both of them, all of them have menu. Actually, I forgot to mention, first you have to download the Steam Link application into your Station 2.
Okay.
This is the way how you connect both devices together, right? So you must have Steam Link application on your Station 2.
To connect your Steam Deck. Right?
Right, yes, connect to Steam console.
Got it.
So you open the Steam Link application and you go to your console. So here you go to menu.
Show to the camera, let them
see. Sure,
like,
okay, yes. There you go. Every console has menu. We went to menu. Click settings. Okay, let me see here. You go, after settings, you go to remote play, right? Remote play. Yes, and here you can see the function pair Steam Link, right? And we have Steam Link application on our Station 2. So we click it. Sorry. We click it right now, and here you can see that you have 4 digits that you need to insert. Is it kind of like a password, right? So you need to go to your Steam Link application and you'll see the password. All you need to do is just insert right here on your console and click confirm. And you'll see straight away
what's happening over there.
Happening over there. So this is how you can transmit your screen of your console into Max 2 through the Station 2.
So this is cloud gaming, right?
Yes. This is how you also do it wirelessly, right? Just through
that's a great deal.
The connection. Okay, so let me repeat again very quickly. So in order to connect your console to Station 2, you need to have the application which you can download through APK Pure, right? For example, you can have the application Steam Link. This is what allows you to connect to your device. Yes, and so as I mentioned, remember to download Steam Link on your Station 2.
Yes,
go to settings and connect your console into your Station 2. That's it. Pretty simple. Yeah.
Easy to remember and easy to welcome our new friends who joining this amazing live stream right now today, my friends, because this is something really cool, my friends. We're having here the third part, and at the end we're gonna have our giveaway, as I said before. Okay, my friends, we're talking about our keyboard, we're talking about our earbuds. This office set here available to you. What you gotta do? Here on your screen, you see the QR code, my friends. You just scan it, and you're gonna jump to the Kickstarter page, follow it, check the products, and put the order, my friends. Choose the product that you need, because that's really important, my friends, because we're talking here about the Station 2, the Max 2, and altogether it's about Rocket AR Lite. So this is a big solution for you, my friends, for your office, mobile office needs, and also about your gaming experience, the cloud gaming, and more that you need. Because here we just with Anna did that, and you connect it to their Steam Deck, and this is really cool because it's done wirelessly, and you do have a 3DOF, and this is about your full immersion into this gaming universe. So this is a big, huge opportunity for you, my friends, okay?
Yeah, so what we generally want to say that Station 2 and the new version Max 2, Station 2 upgraded that much that you can literally connect every device to it using a cable or wirelessly. So I think this is super great to transfer any device you have into your Max 2.